Hi, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today we're going to show you how to check recently closed apps in Windows 11, so you can quickly reopen anything you accidentally closed. Step 1. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Esc on your keyboard. This tool shows all running apps and background processes, and while it doesn't show fully closed apps, it helps track apps that might still be open. Step 2. Use the Alt+Tab shortcut to view recently used apps. Press and hold Alt, then tap Tab to cycle through apps you recently opened. This is useful if you just closed something and want to reopen it quickly. Step 3. Open File Explorer and check the Quick Access section. Here, Windows 11 lists recently opened files, which can help you reopen the apps used to access them, like Word, Excel, or PDF readers. Step 4. Look at the Start menu under Recommended. Windows 11 automatically shows recently used apps and files here, making it easy to click and reopen something you just closed. Step 5. If you use Microsoft Edge or other browsers, check the browser history. Many apps are linked to recent files or web apps, so reopening them from history is often the fastest method. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tips.